I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your device runs a recent Android release and supports custom launchers. Once confirmed, install a navigation skin or gesture app from Play Store. This provides the iOS-style visuals and button layout. Make sure developer options are enabled and ADB access is possible. This lets you grant permissions and hide the default bar when needed. You're now ready to apply the new navbar skin and prepare the system for layout adjustments. Now implement the layout. Open the skinning app and choose an iOS-like template, then customize icons, size, and colors so they match iOS proportions. Once done, connect via ADB and run the command to hide the stock navigation bar or enable persistent immersive mode, which prevents conflicts. Next, tweak padding and animation timing inside the app. Shorter animation gives that snappy iOS feeling. Make sure gestures map correctly. Test home, back, and multitask interactions until they feel natural. Finish by testing across multiple apps. Verify the home, back, and app switch gestures behave reliably, and that overlays like keyboards and keyboard-safe areas remain intact. If things go wrong, revoke conflicting permissions or temporarily disable the skin and reapply settings. This usually clears focus or overlay conflicts. Make a backup of your original navbar settings and the exact ADB commands you used so you can restore the stock UI quickly. If animations stutter, lower the animation scale in developer options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.